What if I told you that, using these 3 reference images, I was able to create this consistent scene, and many others? Not only that, but I was also able to customize this lady exactly the way I wanted, changing her hair, her outfit, the background, and much more. Now take a closer look at these images. You'll notice one thing: she remains consistent in every single detail. And this isn't by accident. Thanks to the brand new Google Gemini 2.5 image model, also known as Nano Banana. And trust me, it's the real game changer of photo editing. Over the past few days, Google has blown our minds with this incredible AI, which is without a doubt the best photo editing tool of all time. Why? Because it can edit photos into anything you can possibly imagine, while keeping everything perfectly consistent. In today's video, I'm going to show you 2 different ways to access this AI tool. You can create as many photos as you want every single day, at least as of when I'm recording this video. And that's not all. I'll also share 5 creative and fun ideas you can try with Nano Banana to take your photos to the next level. So grab your favorite snack, sit back, and let's get started. Open Google AI Studio, which is the first way of accessing this AI tool. From the interface, you will see the option that says Try Nano Banana. Click on it, and just like that, you are ready to go. Starting with our first creative idea, which happens to be the least interesting one: removing or changing an object. Click on the plus icon to import your image. For this lady, I want to give her a black jacket, so I do so by writing a 1-line prompt. Boom! That's a nice one. Even tiny details like shadows look perfect. But let's make something wild. Now we remove the sunglasses, remove the jacket, and change the color of her outfit to brown. Genius, right? One thing I noticed on Google AI Studio is this small watermark and a token that keeps counting for no reason. So to avoid the fear of limited free access, I bring to you marina.ai, another website that makes Nano Banana completely free with no watermark at all. From the interface, click on the place that says Battle and change it to Direct Chat. Click on the small image icon down below, and everything is set to go. Now, let's move on to our second creative idea: product flyer manipulation. There are actually 2 ways to do this. The first one is by using a reference flyer. For example, I uploaded a sample flyer and then prompted the AI to replace the product with a Pepsi can, which I also uploaded. And just like that, boom, the image was ready. I even went ahead and changed the background to make everything look perfect. The second way is through prompt writing. All I had to do was upload the Pepsi can, paste my custom prompt, which by the way I've included in the description, and hit generate. That's it. No complicated settings. Honestly, I couldn't believe my eyes. The results were absolutely amazing. But trust me, this is nothing compared to our third creative idea, which is the most mind-blowing of all: VFX. This is the kind of edit that usually takes hours of work and thousands of dollars to pull off. But with Nano Banana, it takes less than a minute. I uploaded this image, typed in the prompt, the car and the city bursting into flames, and clicked generate. And just like that, my edit was ready. Comparing both images, you can see how everything stays consistent and perfectly detailed. I even went ahead and uploaded the image again to generate a wide-angle drone shot of the same scene. And here it is. Absolutely incredible. Now, to make it even more cinematic, you can take your results into any image-to-video AI like Kling AI, Hailuo AI, or VO3. For this demo, I used Kling AI. Just head over to the website, click on the video option, and from the interface, make sure it's set to image to video. Then upload your start frame image as the first frame and your edited image as the end frame. You can add a prompt if you like, but for this one, I left it blank. As you can see, it's generating, and boom, it's ready. I can't believe I just created a full movie scene in minutes. I did the same for the wide-angle shot, and the results are just as stunning. Next up in our creative ideas, camera angles. Using the same image, I was able to generate multiple perspectives, top-down shots, close-ups, side views, wide-angle drone shots, back views, and even inside shots, all by writing simple one-line prompts. For example, I typed top-down shot of the car, and within seconds, the result was ready. Scrolling through, you can see all the variations lined up. Believe me, this is what you need to take your creativity to the next level. And then we move on to facial expressions. I uploaded an image of a lady and prompted the AI to make her look angry. And boom, there it is. Super realistic and consistent. Then I uploaded another photo and asked the AI to make her cry. I can't believe how real it looks. It's like she's actually crying. Guys, by now, if you haven't hit that subscribe button and liked this video, I think this is the perfect time to do it. And also, if you want more creative ideas or any question, feel free to state it in the comments section. I will be honored to answer you. See you in my next video.